Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're trying to log into your Cowrywise account but getting stuck, in this video I'll show you how to fix Cowrywise login issues step by step, whether it's not loading, stuck on the screen or showing an error. So let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Slow or unstable internet is one of the top reasons the Cowrywise app won't log in. Second, close the app completely. Just don't minimize it. Swipe it away from the recent apps, then tap it again. This clears out temporary glitches. Third step is to clear app cache. If you're using Android, go to Settings. Scroll down until you see the option called Apps. Tap on it. Then locate the Cowrywise application. Tap on it. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Then reopen the app and try logging in again. Fourth step is to update or reinstall the application. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner. Navigate to your search engine and type Cowrywise. Locate the official app and check if there's an update. If that does not help, uninstall the app, then reinstall it fresh. If you're getting an error like incorrect credentials, tap Forgot Password on the login screen, enter your email and Cowrywise will send a link to reset it. If nothing works, contact their support, send an email. Their email is support@cowrywise.com or tap Help in the app if it opens at all and explain your issue. And that's how you fix the Cowrywise login issue in a few quick steps. Most of the time, it's either internet, cache, or an outdated app. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're still facing issues. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.